Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday the 5th, which is election day. I just know today's energy is gonna be very weird and I have to go to work, unfortunately. What? You want some of my coffee? You can't have that. I didn't vlog much yesterday because I was so exhausted. It's 9:15 and I have to go to work at 12:30, so I'm just gonna clean up my room and then get ready. And then go to work. This time change is definitely weird. It's kind of making me feel crazy. So yeah, let's just clean up the room and then get ready. It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna start getting ready now because I literally always run out of time. Like I start getting ready at 11 and I think I have enough time, but I don't. And it's usually on the days that I work at 12:30. So I'm also breaking out like crazy, especially like on my forehead and stuff, because I'm about to start my period. I can't believe it's already that time again. It felt like it just was here. But it's fine, it's fine. We know how fast time moves. I also have acupuncture tomorrow, which I'm so excited for because my back hurts so freaking bad. And I have not had acupuncture in a while because it got really expensive. But, well, I'm gonna get ready, eat some breakfast, take my dogs on a walk, and then we're gonna go from there. My makeup is done. I haven't been wearing as much makeup lately. Does this look like a lot of makeup to you? Just thrifted this skirt and I want to wear it, I think, today. It's pretty comfy, cozy, but I don't know what shirt I want to wear with it. Can't really see the bottom of the skirt, so I'm gonna try to find a shirt. How the shirt looks. I think it's pretty cute. What do we think? It's cute. Shoes? Annoying, annoying. How do you feel?
About what?
Them. Can I sit down, please? You keep following me. All right, you guys. Mukbang from my car. I just left work early because I'm telling you guys, my anxiety is like through the roof at the moment, and I literally, I don't know. I feel like I can't like function at work, so I got someone to come in for me. But yeah, I'm like feeling like extremely out of breath and like just like not feeling good. I don't know what it is, but I need to go home and like decompress. And yeah, I don't think I can work today, so I'm going home. I had someone come in for me, but I'm gonna eat this before I head out. The vibes are just weird today here in town. I don't know, it's probably because election day, but
are directly contributing to the American economy in incredibly meaningful ways.
okay guys, it's the day after the election and I know we are all very disappointed in the outcome of who is now our president. Although both sides for me are just one in the same almost. I had a lot of disagreements with Kamala's campaign as well, and just, yeah, I know this isn't the ideal outcome, and today is a very off day, a very weird vibe. I know it's gonna be for everybody, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm here for you in any way I can be, and we will continue to fight for liberation and humanity for all people. We will continue to fight for our Indigenous brothers and sisters and our Indigenous brothers and sisters in Palestine. So with that being said, I'm gonna go thrifting today to kind of take my mind off of things. I just went to acupuncture, which was really nice, but yeah, we're gonna go thrifting and we're gonna make the best out of today. It's snowing. How do you feel? My purse? Oh, sorry. Lock it. This is crazy. Look at this. What the hell? This is so wild.
I don't know.
I think they're pretty clear. Just not gonna be clear in the neighborhood. These trees, that tree is like fallen to the floor. Close it. No shirts. They might be.
Did he have his girlfriend with
I know. Could have came from anywhere though, honestly. Ooh, that's a London?
Yeah, I saw
I didn't really get to look through the skirts. True that.
So this is a medium. This has 5 likes and it's an XL.
What size did you get? Medium?
Yeah.
I want to see a crazy thrift day.
This is just like all of it. I can tell, look how old this is. What would you get out of the polo?
Huh?
What would you get out of the polo?
What do you mean? What would I list it for?
I know.
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh my god, be careful. Get these sad ass trees. Get these sad ass trees,
People.
bruh.
Sad-ass people and
Oh my
sad-ass-
fucking god. You hand it, or I guess like that, please. Literally hasn't stopped snowing since like 2 days ago.
Come on, to the mob.